Learning English. Understanding ordinal numbers as determiners. Hello, learners. Welcome to our exciting journey through the world of English grammar. Today, we're going to be talking about a very specific part of the language: ordinal numbers as determiners. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of how and when to use ordinal numbers in your sentences. So, let's dive in. Ordinal numbers are words like first, second, third, and so on, which are used to indicate position or order in a series. They're called ordinal because they represent order in a sequence. If you think about a race, ordinal numbers are used to denote the position of competitors, like the first runner to cross the finish line or the second and third place finishers. A determiner is a word that introduces a noun and also provides some context or information about the noun. So when we use an ordinal number as a determiner, it indicates a specific order or position of that noun within a set or series. Here's an example. She lives on the third floor of the apartment building. In this sentence, third is an ordinal number used as a determiner to indicate which floor she lives on. Rule 1. Use ordinal numbers before singular and plural nouns. Example: he was the first person to arrive, or they were the first people to arrive. Rule 2. Use ordinal numbers when the order of things or people is important. Example: this is the third time I'm asking you to clean your room. Rule 3. After an ordinal number, use the before the noun. Example: I live on the third floor. One common mistake is forgetting to use the before the noun following an ordinal number. Remember, when you're using ordinal numbers as determiners, the is usually needed. Incorrect: I live on third floor. Correct: I live on the third floor. Another mistake is using cardinal numbers, like 1, 2, 3, instead of ordinal numbers when order or sequence is important. Incorrect: she is my 2 best friend. Correct: she is my second best friend. So there you have it, learners. That's how you use ordinal numbers as determiners in English. Remember, these ordinal numbers are crucial when you're trying to express order or sequence in your sentences. Make sure to practice using these in your daily English to get a strong grip on them. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. See you in the next video.